Tired of websites resizing your browser windows without asking? Like you're in the middle of something important and suddenly your window shrinks or moves across the screen? It's disruptive, it's annoying, and honestly, it feels like a privacy violation. Learn how to block the window management permission in Chrome in under 2 minutes. Let's fix this. So here's the plan. We are going to open Chrome, navigate to the specific website that's causing trouble, access its site settings, and change that permission to block. I'll walk you through each step, nice and easy. All right, let's start with the first action. Go ahead and open Google Chrome on your computer. Just launch it like you normally would. Doesn't matter what page you're on, just get Chrome open and ready to go. Now navigate to the website where you want to stop this window management behavior. This is the site that's been moving or resizing your browser windows without your permission. Type in its address and hit enter. Let it load up. Now look at the address bar at the very top of the screen. See that icon just before the URL? It might look like a little lock or an eye in a circle, or sometimes even a little page icon. Click on that icon. That's your gateway to the site's permissions. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Site Settings. This will open up a new tab with a whole list of controls for that specific website. Now, we need to dig a little deeper. Scroll down on that settings page until you see a section labeled Permissions. You're looking for an option that says More Site Permissions or Additional Permissions. Click on that. This is where Chrome hides the less common but very important settings. All right, we're in the right place. Now scroll through this list of permissions until you find Window Management. It might be listed under a broader category like Content Settings or right there in the main list. Take your time, it's there. And here's the really important part. This is the setting that gives websites control to move or resize your browser windows. It's exactly what we're here to stop. So now that we've found it, let's take control. Next to Window Management, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it. Your options are usually Ask, Allow, and Block. Select Block. That's it. You've just told Chrome to completely ignore any requests from this website to manage your windows. And just like that, you've taken back full control. Now, every time you visit that site, it won't be able to move, resize, or mess with your browser windows at all. It's a small change that makes a huge difference for your workflow and your peace of mind. If you run into this issue on other websites, just repeat these same steps. You've got the power now. Thanks for sticking with me.